Ha?
Wala, nagpulos lang si Bobby.
Ang ganda. Alright.
May dalawa ko din sa...
Ah. So magpa-change oil kami ng kanyang Yamaha. So dito kami pa rin sa hospital. Nasa dialysis si Mrs. So saglitan na namin yung change oil. Then babalik din ako dito. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication.
Pinapaayos namin yung side mirror. Matigas kasi, di ba? Side mirror, tapos change oil. Pinapalamig pa yung makina para tanggalin yung, palinisin yung spark plug. Yung quartz sa synthetic. Sa kali? Oo.
lang.
Ha?
850.
850? Ah, okay. So 3 months change oil ka pa rin ulit dito. So 3 months change oil. Kasi pag synthetic, dapat synthetic 6 months, di ba?
Oo, 3 months mo talaga yan.
Ha?
3 months lang yan.
Oo.
Ha?
Ayan.
Ano yun? Ano nagigigit o?
Iba lagi kanyang tunog. Dapat yung nabibili mo. Yun lang siguro mo. Dapat hanggat mag-date kami ngayon, no? Oo, dapat. Kaparong siya. Bawa ka.
Ito matigas. Itong ba to? Ito lang gali yan.
Yan. Gagalaw-galaw na siya. Alright. Ayaw po Ging. Puan Ging dali mo. Hirap pala dukutin ng ano, no? Bar plug. Sa loob, yun ang mahirap lang. Oo. Itong R3 yung tato gwapo, no?
Hirap tukutin ng spark plug mo.
Kalau hindi ka marunong ito ah. Yes.
Tapos malinisan na yan mamaya. Matuloy na yung takbo niyan. Laki ng distansya. Hirap dukutin yung ano no, spark plug.
Hirap yung react ano eh.
Ha?
Brake.
Oo. Hindi nga, isa lang spark plug niyan eh. Eh kung apat pa.
Ay, mga old na brake.
Gang on, gang. Gabiti-biti ah. Itim na. Parang pusit ah. Parang sabaw ng pusit game. Flashing pa. Purpose na. Purpose pa para yung mga natitira pa mahulog. Sa mga gilid-gilid ko, mga moving parts ang in between. Okay pa naman, di ba? Sa level ka pa eh. Yeah, pang flashing lang yan, di ba?
Linis lang.
Oo, pang linis lang.
or living my pace. You're only young one, yeah, that's all great. But I also wanna let you know I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's living in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us, and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. We try to do what you love when it's said and done. There's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life every day. Living life, not okay. All I want, and I pray. All I need is a better day.
So wala kapit.
Malay mo, gayahin nila. $30,000 lang ini-expect ko na views nito. So yan yung ano mo, gauge mo. Ayos.
Or living my pace, you're only young once, yeah, that's all great. I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's living in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us, and that's okay. But I just wanna be happy, how to get there, glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you
Yes.
what you want.
Okay, tapos na. So balik ka dito. November 1. Sa 3 months. Pirelli, dalawa yan. Mahirap na magbigla sa malaking sisi kagad. Oo. Yun sana unahin namin, R3. Oh, alam mo na kung saan ka babalik. Okay. So yun, bagong change oil yung ating Yamaha R15 version 3. Kasi gagamitin ko yun pag uwi ng lang, ilulong discharge ko kasi yun. Saka maitim na yung maitim na yung oil. So yung oil natin, hindi siya yung synthetic na oil lang ginamit, bali nasa 450. Kasama na yung 350 yung oil, so 100 yung oil filter, so 450. Tapos nag-labor tayo ng 350 pesos. Tapos binigyan ko pa siya ng 100 na tip, diba? So yeah, ayos. So sunod na change oil niya is November 1, kasi August 1 ngayon. So 3 months siya. Pero syempre alam niyo naman, November 1 is walang non-working holiday. So baka sa mga sumunod na mga araw na